So I'm working on a 1986 BJ70 Toyota Landcruiser, and I'm going through the brakes right now. This is what it looks like when your rear wheel cylinder leaks a bunch of brake fluid all over the place. Check out that seal there, it's completely broken open, and this thing is just soaked with brake fluid. The other side, I will show you, it wasn't soaked, but I pulled back the rubber seal on the other side and it just gushed brake fluid. So basically, to check these guys, let's just see how bad this one is. Pull this guy back. I'm trying to do this with one hand and film. Whoop. Probably did you see all that brake fluid squeeze out of there? You see all that? That is not good. These should be bone dry. There should be no brake fluid in there. So these babies are very, very ripe and way overdue for a change. Something else you'll notice is the return spring isn't there, which is very interesting. So either somebody forgot to install it or it just disintegrated, which is highly unlikely.